Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says which of the following cotyledons come above the soil in germination? Options are A. Epigeal, B. Hypogeal, C. Vivipary, D. None of this. So let us understand the question. It says which of the following cotyledons come above the soil during the germination process. Okay, so as the important key terms here we have to consider, that is cotyledons coming above the soil during germination. So what is germination? Germination is nothing but the formation of the new root and shoot, which we call it as the plumule and radicle. Okay, and we have the embryo in between the two cotyledons. We know, like if it is monocotyledon, it has only one cotyledon. If it has dicotyledons, that means it has two cotyledons. Okay, so it protects the developing embryo, like it has the embryo within it. Okay, so let us see. Epigeal. So what do you mean by epigeal? Epigeal is nothing but where the cotyledon comes above the ground. Okay, epi means above, geal we are talking about the ground or the soil. So epigeal is nothing but above the soil. Okay, so here in this case the cotyledons come out of the soil, like when you sow the seed inside the soil. So once it germinates, the radicle will be, or the root will be growing pierced into the soil, whereas the the cotyledons along with the plumule will come out. Okay, so that is called as epigeal. So it will be above the ground. Okay, so here it is the cotyledons come above the soil, above the ground, you can say. Okay, so that is what is called as epigeal condition. Hence, option A is the right answer. But let us look at the other options also. Option B says hypogeal. Option B is hypogeal. So what do you mean by hypogeal? Hypo means under. Okay, geal is under the ground. Okay, so these here, the cotyledons are under the ground. Underground, or you can say within the soil. Okay, so hence option B is ruled out. Option C says vivipary. So vivipary here it speaks about giving birth to babies. Okay, that is what is vivipary. So here we are talking about the germination of the seed. We are not talking about the vivipary. Hence option C is totally ruled out. Okay. Now option D says none of these. That is again ruled out because we have an answer that is epigeal. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option A. That is epigeal. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.